Hello traders, Mark P. Markets here. My name is Mark Principato and I'm a chartered market technician, and thank you for watching another exclusive Bitcoin video technical analysis here for FXEmpire. So in this session, I'm going to talk about the current support and resistance levels in Bitcoin and why we're not in such a hurry to jump into the most recent buy signal. So with that being said, let's get started. This is for educational purposes only. For investment advice, please consult a licensed investment advisor. Also, if you'd like to know more about our swing trade signal service by text and by email, our portfolio management ideas in our chat room, we have a 7-day free trial. So please go check out greenbridgeinvesting.com. You should be able to find a link in the text as well. So let's talk about Bitcoin. Here's the thing. Bitcoin has been trying to push 16,000, and there is a psychological resistance in that area. And as you can see, price has been reacting to it. Now, just the other day, we had this inside bar and we took out the high of that inside bar of 15,482. So basically that 15.5 price level was a new long signal. And as you can see, the candle is going to close pretty strong at this point. But the problem with this situation is the risk. The risk of retrace is very high at such a level. Yes, we have a consolidation, and typically these type of consolidations are trend continuation patterns, which can take price to the mid, possibly high 16,000 area. But the thing is, how much risk do you have to take to hopefully get that type of reward on the swing trade time frame? Well, the nearest support on this thing continues to be, an optimistic support is the 14.3, but the support we're looking for is 13.8 or 13.5, which means price can possibly retrace to such a level and then go higher, okay? So in terms of probability, we would prefer to wait for the high probability location, and that's why I have this line drawn here, because that's what we would like to see. Will Bitcoin develop that, or will it provide that type of opportunity? That is up to Bitcoin. But if we see that level, we'll be looking for the setup and the confirmation to go along. Up in this area, sure, you may be able to get a couple of hundred points out of it, but if you have to risk more than 1,000 points to try to get a couple of hundred points, maybe slightly more, in the long run, it's going to be very tough to show consistent results or positive results because you're taking more risk than what you're trying to get out of it. Okay, again, this is from the swing trade perspective. Day trade perspective is a different story, but I'm not going to talk about that here. So again, 16,000 area, risk is too high for a new swing trade, so we prefer to wait for a better level. That level may not be 13.8, maybe it'll be a slightly higher level, but Bitcoin needs to provide the proof, and it needs to provide the setup and the confirmation where we can then measure our risk and take a reasonable trade. Okay, so that's it. I'm going to leave you with that. Thank you for watching. Again, if you have any questions, please make sure to reach out. You can find me at greenbridgeinvesting.com. Thank you for watching.